Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw an apple cut in half. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the apple. I'm starting with stem. Let's draw some seeds. And now I'm using my pencil. I'm using a bit of black. And now I'm coloring it with red. I'm using a bit of brown. And now I'm using a pale orange color to color inside it. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.